And when the situation changed?
After the second session with you, I started feeling a lot of relief where I could move my knee around, and I noticed my hip wasn't hurting very much. It happened pretty quickly after the second session.
Great. And what happened, you remember, in the first meeting at Southwest?
Yes. So you asked me to stand up so that you could look at me, and you you looked at my body, front and back and side, and you talked to me about the imbalance that my one side was shorter than the other. My right side was shorter, and so therefore I wasn't straight. I wasn't standing straight. My hips weren't in a line. My knees weren't in a line. My feet weren't in a line. So I was really off square. I don't know what else to say.
I understand. And when did you realize and why that this was the solution for your problem?
Well, it just made sense because the more you worked on me, stretched my myofascial, the more you opened it up, and I felt that it was, I could feel the movement of my body in a way I never did before internally. It's hard to explain exactly, but it was like I could feel rubber bands being moved around, and some loosening and some just moving. But it was a very interesting and wonderful feeling, actually, because I literally could feel the inside of my body stretching, expanding like a rubber band.
And what kind of results did you have?
Well, it took a little while, but not too long, because I think I was in a bad position for a long time, and so my body had to heal. But I now I do everything. I mean, I have no pain at all, none.